Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best glider plane. First, select your materials carefully. Lightweight foam or balsa wood are excellent choices for achieving maximum flight time. Next, pay close attention to your design's proportions. A good rule of thumb is a wingspan roughly 2/3 of the fuselage length for stable flight. Finally, proper weight distribution is key. We'll cover how to find and adjust the center of gravity for a perfect glide. Let's dive into the core design elements that make a glider soar. The wing's airfoil shape is paramount. It creates the lift needed to keep your plane airborne for longer durations. Consider a slight upward bend in the wings, known as dihedral, which significantly improves stability during flight. Don't forget the tail. The horizontal stabilizer controls pitch, while the vertical fin manages yaw, ensuring your glider flies straight and true. Now, let's talk about putting it all together with precision. When assembling, always use a strong yet lightweight adhesive to ensure durable joints without adding unnecessary weight. Accurate cutting of all your components is critical for a well-balanced glider. Even small discrepancies can affect flight performance. Remember to reinforce key stress points, especially where the wings meet the fuselage, to prevent damage during those inevitable landings. It's time to test your creation and fine-tune it for optimal flight. Start by launching your glider in calm, open conditions to accurately observe its flight characteristics. If it dives, add a small amount of weight to the nose. If it stalls, remove some. Adjusting the tail surfaces can also dramatically improve its glide path. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. With a few adjustments, your glider will be soaring beautifully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.